Welcome to Design plus Regeneration. I'm Jason F. McLennan. So Harlan likes to talk about this design as being his house on the hill. And he's had this vision for years of wanting to see something placed on the hill in this property that he owns and have it really represent the vision that he sees for the integration of architecture and art and sustainability and technology all coming together in a place where there are new innovations. So I first met Harlan Stone a few years ago, and I have to say that in a very short amount of time, the two of us became close friends. We became brothers in arms, and basically we've been working ever since together.
The house upon the hill is something that's been running around my head for a long time. And now it became clear that we have the digital transformation coming to our industry. As the world seems to be maybe getting too distant, how do you bring people together to make that creative process so much more genuine and impactful?
With the design of his new world headquarters, we're trying to provide a new model for industry, for the flooring industry in particular, and with design.
It's a very dense and rocky site, and to be able to honor and protect that landscape while also creating a new experience for the building occupants to enjoy it is something I'm really proud of. So this building starts with just the use of ultra-efficient mechanical systems and a really low operating energy use. On top of that, we will be supplying all of the building's electricity from on-site solar. So 105% of the building's energy use will be provided on-site. The building also harvests rainwater to be reused in some of the plumbing fixtures. It uses only the healthiest, non-toxic materials available by following ILFI's Red List imperatives.
The magic around the design really happened when I realized that this building was really about the senses. It's a beautiful site, lots of trees, nature everywhere, but there's highway noise. And here we're bringing people to an environment where they're needing to have a bit of an oasis. So we have a water wall when you enter that helps to mask the sound of the highway. We have a long wall that is both beautiful but also, again, blocking sound. And then you enter into a courtyard that is a contained space. It's a space that allows you to suddenly be in a different perception, in a different space, mentally as well as literally. And suddenly you're surrounded by art. There's going to be a giant mural at the entrance that people will see. And you'll notice right away this incredible staircase that's there. And your eye will be drawn up by the beauty of the wood shading and the glass and the lights inside. And you'll want to go inside. Idea of moving through the building is incredibly important. It's all about the stairs. It's all about the hallways. And even when you enter a particular room, you're always going through a thickened transition, a deep entryway into each space where you're leaving one realm and heading into another. And that really is a sense of arrival and placemaking.
Our new headquarters was an idea, and that idea was always about providing space to think. Buildings are really important for the creative process. Buildings are really important for how you go and do your job every day. The things that we look at when you have a Living Building Challenge building are much greater.
It is going to be a building that perfectly aligns the values of the company with the architecture that they're going to be inhabiting. HMTX is passionate about sustainability, transparency, and innovation in product manufacturing. This building will be a direct representation of that.
The HMTX World Headquarters is going to be an incredible example of a living building project, one that generates all the energy that it needs, that is completely decarbonized, that doesn't use fossil fuels, that captures water off of its roof and lights the interior with daylight, is comprised of healthy materials and an interior environment with incredible air. And our team really worked hard to knit and nest all these issues together in a building that is highly functional, that's practical, and I think beautiful.